Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of XCOM 2. Today we are taking on that supply raid from a few days earlier. Sorry for not recording. I've had some issues with time frames and stuff, but hopefully that's all sorted out and I can put out videos on a more regular basis. And there's been some audio issues in the last two, so hopefully those are remedied for this one. Seemed fine on the stream yesterday, so we'll have to see. We're taking out Ramsey, Sagara, McThunder, Nieves, and Ramsey to take Operation Twisted Spear. Should be a moderate mission, so not too difficult, ideally. Alright. Alright, so obviously first supplier of the campaign. Hopefully it won't go too terribly. It's on rookie difficulty, so even then it should be fine. We've got plenty of firepower to back us up. Alright, we move up Bobby McThunder. He is the much anticipated new recruit, I'm sure. We'll have him sky ahead. It's the fog. So like, we got nothing at the moment, so let's move up with the rest of these guys. What was it? Othello has found something. Oh, that was close. Oh, that was close. Yes. Yeah, so maybe moving up that aggressively was a bit of a mistake, but thankfully it wasn't one that actually came back and bit us in the ass, so we're good. We see we've got 5 soldiers now, so that'll be a lot better in terms of just tactics and flexibility. Right. So I'm thinking we prioritize that Viper first, because just about anyone can kill that Stone Lancer, so ideally you want to take out this little piece of garbage first. Right, so we've got here fire sniper rifle for a 85% chance to hit and a 60 to crit. Feeling good about that. Alright, not quite as much damage as we need, but that's nothing that a grenade can't solve. Yeah, you might wonder why I'm not actually. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be using it. Not gonna be putting anyone on Overwatch just because I don't want to accidentally miss shots or waste any on targets that aren't gonna die. So that's just my rationale behind that. Oh no, what else have we found? Okay, got a trooper and officer. That's not ideal. Right, we can easily take out that trooper, probably from back here, somewhere similar. Let's see here. Yeah, Nieves, you get over here and take a shot on that trooper. Okay. Next one. All right. McThunder, show us your. Okay, well, still, give it your best shot, I guess. All right, just go ahead, take out the Stun Lancer. God damn it, McThunder. Alright. Let's see. So, Amina's gonna have to break concealment here. We are gonna definitely need to get a flashbang off on the Lancer and on the Viper. So, let me see. Just throw that. Hopefully, we can save McThunder's tail here, and if not, then, well, we'll just have to see. Alright, Stun Lancer's still disoriented, so he might move to better cover, or he might just take a shot there. Probably Viper's gonna take a shot with Thunder. Ooh, God. Alright, hang in there, buddy. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Alright. And now the officer. Cool. He's gonna mark Ramsey and probably take a shot at him, so we're not completely screwed here. Yeah, screw you too. Alright. Alright, so McThunder's a little beat up. He's not dead, which is, you know, always a good thing. Let's see here. So what do we want to do with these guys? Well, this slash will definitely kill the Viper, so we'll do that. Should kill it this time. Right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blow the officer's cover. Nice, nice. Alright, then we'll probably have Ramsey take him out. Ramsey Jr. Cool. And Sagara just get up in his face. Alright. First order of business is to get a heal on Bobby, because he's taking a solid beating. So we're just gonna have to make sure he doesn't die the rest of the mission. So heal him up. He's back full health. That was admittedly a bit of a risky move there with Ramsey, and I should have given it a second thought, but it all panned out in the end, so I mean, I guess it's alright. Definitely been a lot less scary if McThunder had actually killed the Stun Lancer. Fortunately, we do not have a mean of the scout anymore, so it's fortunate. We needed all hands on deck for that engagement. Yeah, no, we're not gonna grab the loot. It's just too risky at this point. Keep moving. Alright, here comes the sectoid pod. Seemingly just a sectoid. Walls? He's never heard of them. Alright, come on. Thunder? Nope. Alright. Nice one, Diego. Alright, cool, cool. Just for like the cool factor, we're gonna have Ramsey shoot the explosive. Alright, and that's mission over. Alright, nice. Fortunately, we did get some wounds there, which probably weren't necessary if I had, you know, if I had actually thought about what I was going, but you know, whatever. Alright, so definitely a bit of a scary situation there with Bobby, but he survived, and that's what matters. Hopefully he'll at least get a promotion by the time we get back to the Avenger. Alright. Oh, finally. Took a bit longer this time for some reason. Alright, so Thunder doesn't even get a promotion. Yikes. Alright, he'll be out for a while, but, you know, whatever. Right. Let's promote Diego. Think we'll make him medic just because combat protocol is not going to scale well at all as we move to the late game. We're stuck with tier 1 gremlins, so we just want to keep invest in skill cell to scale better. Soldier shaken. Alright. Yikes. Tigan's gonna bug me till the end of the world about the fact that we aren't researching anything. Alright. Oh, found the black market. That could be useful. We could probably just sell all of our lyrium and stuff because we won't be using it for anything, honestly. Except for maybe a spark if we get once we get the proving ground up and running. Right. Got some new rookies. Got Nicholas Kingstone. Interesting. Timothy Wallback and Nathan Creed. Right. Sure they'll be very important to the resistance effort. Let's meet them, shall we? Thank you, Tigan. Alright. Nathan Cobra Creed. Who are you? To use the technical term, Nathan is a blowhard, according to many. He's considered smug, a narcissist, and always has to one-up everyone. However, deep down, he does care about others, but his way of showing it is unique, to say the least. While it may be difficult to understand his behaviors, he means well, and with the resistance is dire, we'll judge him by his intentions rather than his actions, just this once. Alright, so a bit of an inflated ego there. Timothy Wallback. Timothy is a doctor, although a somewhat unconventional one. During the years of alien invasion, he had been attempting to harvest alien specimens to test out their applicability in his work, with not much success. He believes XCOM might be more useful in this regard. Oh, I'm sure you'd get along with Valen just fine. What's up, Nicholas Enforcer Kingstone? Alright. Having been involved in a life of organized crime, his family were bound to be targeted eventually. Fate was tempted, and it delivered. His wife and children were slain by an enemy organization, and Nick never recovered. When the aliens arrived, he had little to live for, but when he saw another family in danger, he didn't hesitate to save them. His skills as a hitman for hire paid dividends, and he found a reason to keep living and atone for his sins by helping other families stay in one piece. Nice, nice. Alright, and I think that's all of them. Yep, those are the 3 you picked up. Alright, well, it's good to meet all of you, and I'm sure you will contribute much to our efforts. Alright, so let's go ahead and make contact with West Asia. And maybe if we can get to squad size 6, we can take on the black site. Or maybe we'll take it on early, who knows. Right. Frederick is a specialist. Nice. Let's see. Who else do I want to take out? What do we need another of? So I got 3 grenadiers, 3 specialists, 2 sharpshooters. Maybe another ranger could be good. I think Wallback would probably like to get up close and personal with the aliens, so we'll make him the ranger. Wallback, you a ranger. Wow, it's almost as if I just made contact with them, Bradford. Thanks for reminding me. Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you for telling me exactly what I already know. Oh, so helpful. Right. Scan for black market now. And we'll probably just hit the black site early to make sure that Avatar doesn't spiral out of control. Supply drop in the next day. Oh, okay. Got a mission here. Extract a VIP from an Advent city. Alright, we get an engineer out of this. That'll be helpful. Alright, so just clear out the squad here, and we'll decide who we want to take from there. Let's see, so we'll make our utility items available. And let's see. Take out Amina for sure, because she is our only Phantom Ranger, and it'll be very important to get one out there. Specialist. We'll probably take out Diego. We'll take out Ramsey as our sharpshooter. Alright. Is sharpshooter a good idea here? That'll be fine, whatever. Let's see here. We'll take out Fran and Lucas as our 2 grenadiers. Yeah, I think that'll work. Alright, so next up on Operation Steaming Blade, we will extract the VIP from the Advent City. And yeah, we'll see you there. Have a good rest of your day.